G'day everybody and welcome to a special edition of Legoville. We are going to build ourselves a pine tree. This is going to be a very interesting build. I first saw this technique up on Instagram on the building tricks and tips and how to make a bush out of, see if we can show this, my fingers are very big, my lighting ain't great, out of this 5-point brick. Yeah, there we go. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-point brick. I guess it's a jumper brick. I don't know. There's a technical name behind this. Somebody probably out there can probably put it in the comments. But it's the single piece brick with the 5 points on it. We're going to make a tree out of this. And our favourite Lego piece, which I'm sure we've got hundreds of, the plant stem. Yay, plant stem. Here we go. So we're going to put this together. I saw this technique on basically the on Instagram on the tips and bricks, so they made a bush out of this. I had an idea, inspiration popped into my head, and I thought, can we make a tree out of this? And yes, we can. So I've used 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these, 4 brown and 1 green. Ordered the brown ones today. It actually came in from my favourite brick store, which is on Bricklink, which is New Parts. Thank you. No, it's not them. It is thegreatbricklab.com, which majority of my pieces come from there. Not an endorsement of them, just telling you which store I actually use. So I got 5 of those and a green and a green one of these, and about 100 plus of these because I wasn't too sure of the count. But to do the tree that I'm going to do, you're going to need 76. That's right, 76 of these plant stems to do the tree that I'm going to do. So we're going to very quickly go through the build here. I've made majority of the branches here already for speed, but you'll see why I've done that. But once you see how I do the top, you'll get the general idea of what you need to do next. So, provided my big old man hands don't get in the way here, I'm going to try to show you how I built this, and then we'll go and I'll show you how I'm going to display it and my ideas behind this sort of thing. Just add a bit more texture to your city. First off, you put your spacers to get spacers. I'm going to call them spacers. It's probably not the correct name, but we'll call them anyway, just for easier. Put all my spacers together. 2, 3, 4, and 5, like so. And then I turn them so each one is diagonal to the other. I'll show you this in a second. What I'm doing. I know my fingers are too close to show it, but basically we've gone straight. And now we put them all at an angle, like so. This is very important so I can spread the branches out. I put a cone at the end, and I put a slightly bigger cone at the end of that, just to give the trees a bit more of a branch feeling. After this, we start applying our branches. Now I'm only going to do the top layer. Like I said, the rest were done for speed, but it's basically to show you what's going on here. I don't want it to be a very long tutorial. You stick your plant stems in like so. I must have a good 200-300 of these things by now. So it's like that. Add a couple to the top, 1 and 2, and that's the first layer of the tree being made. It actually makes a good palm tree or some kind of exotic at this moment in time, right? If we get to 3 or 4 of these cylinders together, we've got an exotic palm tree going on. But now we're going to do the next layer. Now the next layer, the secret is each layer goes out by 1. So the next one will be 2 plant stems together, like so. I'm just going to quickly put these together again for speed. You're going to need 4 for each section. As you can see, I've turned them slightly, so basically you've got some kind of texture thing going on there. You see it? Slight turn, so it looks like a natural branch on, and they go underneath the next on the next set spacer, all the way around, like so. Now this is where it stopped on the Lego tips bricks I saw on Instagram. And they had a nice little bush going on, but I thought, what happens if we keep going? And again, looks like an exotic plant at the moment, right? Now I mentioned I made the rest for speed, so we're just going to stick these on here, and hopefully by the time I'm done, you're going to see a nice tree. So the next level is going to be 3. It's going to be 3 outs, like so. Next level is going to be 4 out. I'll do these 4 out, like so. The next level is 5 out. Now you see where I twisted it. Now I've twisted it It makes it easier to obtain these, and you also got a nice ring effect going on. I actually stole this from basically the, you know, looking at how we put together our artificial Christmas trees. Each level is a slightly different rung. So there we go, you start seeing it take shape now there. That is a nice spiky tree going on. And the last level is 6 out. Now to make this tree, you're going to need 76 of these green stems. I'm sure many of us have got many of them, but they're pretty easy to get hold of on Bricklink. I got mine from Bricklink to get to do this technique because I didn't quite have enough. And that is my tree. Now I'm going to put this into place on top of this block here. It's not going to be the final resting area for it, but I've not quite figured out exactly where it's going to go. I think it's going to go flat in there somewhere, but I want to put it something you can stand on. Voila! One instant tree. Now I'm going to grab another tree here, an official Lego tree, next to it, so you can see some size differences. I should have done this before I started the tutorial, but again, everything you do is live. So here we go. This is the official Christmas tree, or a pine tree. Look at that. That is absolutely fucking fantastic. Put it back to over here now. And that is making your own little textured, neat little tree. I'm going to be exploring some more different techniques like this as we go forward. I want to have some real good texture in my city, and this is a nice textured little tree build. It's definitely got the potential there to basically do some other fun stuff with it. I can stick a star at the top there, use the flower buds to make like decorations on there, and we'll be really good to go. I think that's a really neat looking tree. See if I can get a bit more light on it so you can see it a bit better. There we go. Okay, now I'm certain this technique's probably been shown other places. That's me showing you how to do a nice tree. Very quick and simple. It took me about 5 minutes to build once I got all my segments together, and I think it's pretty neat. So look out for other little tips and tricks and little fun things I found on the internet to share with you guys. This is Nick Davis over here in Alt World Tube on behalf of Legoville signing off. Be sure to like and share this video with your friends, and we'll see you again sometime. You all take care now.